Hello students, you are all welcome to another tutorial by Brain Boosters Tutorials. Brain Boosters Tutorials is your reliable tutor in subjects like mathematics and other important subjects. So my name is Ibukonluwa. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to get our latest videos. Thank you. Today we are going to look at addition and subtraction of matrix. Addition and subtraction of matrix. And a topic for senior secondary school students. Matrix is simply an array of numbers organized in rows and columns. Matrix is simply an array of numbers organized in rows and columns. Before we proceed, I would like you to just know the usefulness and importance of all these topics that you study in the school, because most times many of the students feel the subjects or the topics are just for academic purpose, but they don't understand that it's also applicable to real life situations. So let's quickly flip into this particular part here and look at uses of matrix in real life. Uses of matrix in real life. Number one, matrix can be used to represent real world data like population of people, infant mortality rate. Matrix can be used to represent real world data like population of people, infant mortality rate. This infant mortality rate has to do with death rate, children death rate, and etc. So population of people, you can use matrix to represent data information. Matrix is also used in business, not only to make complex decisions, but also prioritize tasks, solve problems and arguments to defend a decision made. So in business world, matrix is used not just to make complex decisions, but it's also used as a tool to defend any decision made by the manager or the business operator. Then in the science world, matrix helps in calculation of battery power outputs. Matrix helps in calculation of battery power outputs. So this is for the scientists, science students, and you can just be aware that you have a lot of advantage as you study this particular topic. So let's go back to our example. Addition. To remember that we are looking at addition and subtraction of matrix. So for example, now example 1, if A is equals to 2, 3, 5 minus 4 and B is equals to 7, 4 minus 3, 5. Solve A plus B, A minus B. So that's our question, the first example. So if A is equals to 2, 3, 5 minus 4, then B is equals to 7, 4 minus 3, 5. So A plus B. Solve A plus B. In order to solve this particular question, you make sure that each element are added to their corresponding elements, so that this element 1 1 in A11 now, that is the number in column 1 row 1 of A is added to the number of, or is added to the element in column 1 row 1 in B. So that's how you solve this kind of issues. Each elements are added to their corresponding elements in the other brackets. So for example, now 2 plus 7, this 2 now is 1 1 here, that this is on column 1 row 1, 7 is also on column 1 row 1. Then 3 plus 4, 3 is on row 1 column 2 1 2, and 4 is also on row 1 column 2. Then 5 plus minus 3, 5 plus minus 3, 5 plus minus 3, then minus 4 plus 5, minus 4 plus 5. So for 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. So 5 plus minus 3 now, 5 plus open bracket minus 3, plus times minus is minus, plus times minus is equals to minus. So we are going to have 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2. 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2. Then minus 4 plus 5 is equals to 1. You are owing somebody 4 naira, and you have 5 naira with you. Once you pay the 4 naira you are owing the person, you still have 1 naira with you. That's the interpretation of that. So minus 4 plus 5 is equals to plus 1. Example 2. If A is equal to 2, 3, 5 minus 4, and B is equal to 7, 4, minus 3, 5, find A minus B. Find A minus B. So it's also, like I said earlier, each element in a particular bracket is added or subtracted to the other elements in the corresponding bracket. So for example now, 2 minus 7, because it's what how you start, 2 minus 7, and we start because 2 is in row 1 column 1, 1 1, row 1 column 1. 7 is also in row 1 column 1 of B. 2 is in row 1 column 1 of A. 7 is in row 1 column 1 of B. 3 is in row 1 column 2, A1 2, and of A. So B is also, for B now we have 4 is equals to row 1 column 2. So that's how you are going to solve the question. So 2 minus 7, 2 minus 7, then we have 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, then 5 minus 3, then minus 4 minus 5, minus 4 minus 5. So that's how you solve the question. Let me try to use my pen. Okay. Yeah. So 7 plus 2. Okay, this example 3. Let's go back to example 2 that we're talking about. A minus B. So 2 minus 7. This 2 minus 7. Then 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. Then 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Then minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5. So 2 minus 7 is equals to minus 5. You are owing somebody 7 naira and you have 2 naira with you. You've paid 2 naira to the person. That means you are receiving the person 5 naira. So 2 minus 7 is minus 5. 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 1. 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 1. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, we have a bracket there. So minus times minus is equals to plus. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 5 plus 3, which is equals to 8. 5 minus 3 is equals to 5 plus 3, which is equals to 8. But since minus times minus gives us plus, minus times minus gives us plus. So minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5 gives us minus 9. Minus 4 minus 5 gives us minus 9. Let's look at another example. Example 3 says, if C is equals to open bracket 7 9 4 minus 4 and D is equals to open bracket 2 4 minus 3 8. So let's look for calculate C plus D, C minus D. So to calculate C plus D, C minus D, we are going to add for C plus D. Now we're going to add elements, each element in C to the corresponding elements in D. So for example, now 7 plus 2 is because 7 is on C11 and D is also on 7 is on C11 and 2 is on D11. So 7 is on C11 and D is on and 2 is also on D11. That is, 7 is on row 1 column 1 and 2 is also on row 1 column 1. So for 9 will be 9 minus 9 plus 4, and this is because 9 is on row 1 column 2 and 4 is also on row 1 column 2 of D. So that's how we do. Then 4 plus minus 3, 4 plus minus 3, then minus 4 plus 8, minus 4 plus 8, minus 4 plus 8. So when we want to solve it now, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 4 is equals to 13, then 4 plus minus 3 is equals to 4 minus 3. Plus times minus gives us minus, so 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Then 4 minus 4 plus 8 is equals to 4. Minus 4 plus 8 is equals to plus 4. For the B part of example 3, C minus D. This time around 7 minus 2, then 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4, then 4 minus 3, then minus 4 minus 8, minus 4 minus 8. So 7 minus 2 is it, then 9 minus 4, then 4 minus 3, then minus 4 minus 8. So 7 minus 2 is equals to 5, 7 minus 2 is equals to 5, then 9 minus 4 is equals to 5, 7 minus 2 is equals to 5, 9 minus 4 is also 5, then 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3. So this minus times minus gives us plus, minus times minus gives us plus. So that gives us 4 plus 3, which is equals to 7. 4 plus 3, which gives us 7. Then minus 4 minus 8, minus 4 minus 8 is equals to minus 12. Shola is owing Taye 4 naira, and is also owing Tunde 8 naira. So definitely is owing Tunde and Shola 12 naira. So that's it. That's why it's minus 12. So minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12. Let's look at the examples again. So for example 1, 2, if A is equals to 2, 3, 5 minus 4, then B is equals to 7, 4, minus 3, 5. So this here now, A plus B is equals to 2 plus 7, 3 plus 4, 5 plus minus 3, then minus 4 plus 5. So this is how you solve it. For this other example, you can see it here: 2 minus 7, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 3, then minus 4 minus 5. So the calculation is there. You can just watch the video once more continuously in order to understand the topic. So this tutorial is brought to you by Brain Boosters Tutorials, because we've come to the end of today's tutorial, which is matrix, addition and subtraction of matrix. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also visit our website. Our website is bit.ly/omojime educonsult. bit.ly/omojime educonsult. That's our website.